Hey folks, now that we've created a plan in under 10 minutes, we need to go ahead and enroll our first patient. This is just as simple. All you have to do is click on Enroll a Patient. Bento will then have you select a plan, look up the patient, just type in the last name, date of birth, and social security number. Hit search. It seems like the patient wasn't found, so we're going to add a new patient. All right, let's put in the first name, gender, email, phone number, and address. Once you've taken down all the patient's information, just hit OK. Just like that, our patient was added. Just hit continue. There you go. Teddy Diaz. We'll select the member. How would he like to pay? Let's make it all up front. You'll need to add a valid credit card. If not, Bento will stop you. Then go ahead and hit purchase. Takes a second here. And just like that, you can see that our number went up and our revenue. Teddy has just purchased our plan. It's that simple. Thank you.